Edo State is witnessing a wave of transformation under the leadership of Governor Modi Okpebholo, from critical infrastructure upgrades to innovative social programs. His administration is focused on delivering projects that not only improve daily life but also set the foundation for long-term development. In this video, we highlight some of the top projects executed across the state. These projects reflect the governor's commitment to inclusive growth, transparency, and efficient governance. Join us as we explore the top 5 projects that are shaping a new era for Edo State under Governor Modi Okpebholo. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave your comment in the comment section, and share this video. 5. Ramat Park Flyover. The federal government of Nigeria have begun the construction of Ramat Park Flyover in Benin City. Ramat Park, located in Kobayi area of Benin City, Edo State, was primarily built in honor of General Murtala Ramat Mohammed, a former Nigeria head of state, for his contributions to national development before his assassination in 1976. By its location, Ramat Park is a major transportation hub in Benin City, facilitating major routes in and out such as Benin-Auchi expressway and Benin-asaba expressway. However, the park lost its recreational status with time. Today, it serves as a coven for all sorts of juju medicine providers, while serving as a criminal hideout, especially at night. More worrisome is the popularity the place has gained for its frequent traffic congestion as a result of high vehicles volumes. This gridlock, often compounded during peak hours and market days, leads to increased travel times, higher fuel consumption, and elevated noise and air pollution, all of which negatively impact the city's traffic. To address this continuous issue, the federal government, together with the Edo state government led by Senator Modi Okpebholo, recently took a bold step by embarking on the construction of a flyover at Ramat Park. This project, flagged off in November 2024, marks a milestone in the city urban development. Note that it is part of a larger initiative to construct multiple flyovers across Benin City, including at Sapele Road/Adesuwa Road junction. The project aims to decongest critical intersection, improve traffic flow, and lay the groundwork for sustainable urban development of the city. Flyovers, according to authorities, are a transformative solution in city grappling with increasing traffic demands. At their core, they help reduce congestion by allowing vehicles to bypass crowded intersections. For Ramat Park, this means that the motorists traveling through the area will no longer endure long queues or frequent stops caused by the roundabout's current limitations. By enabling a smoother flow of traffic, the flyover will also enhance connectivity between key parts of Benin City, fostering economic activity and making commutes more predictable and efficient. The Ramat Park flyover is expected to be completed within an 18-month time frame. 4. Renovation of dilapidated public schools across Edo State. Edo State Governor Senator Modi Ogbemudia is spearheading a large-scale rehabilitation project for public schools across the state. This effort includes the reconstruction, renovation, and remodeling of over 100 schools across 3 senatorial districts in the state, with another 120 earmarked for further development. The governor aim is to improve the learning environment and ensure Edo children receive quality education. The initiative emphasizes improving infrastructure, including classrooms, library, and other learning spaces to better support student education. Governor Ogbemudia addressed the concern about the poor condition of public schools by declaring a state of emergency on them, highlighting the need for immediate action to improve their state. The governor's vision extends beyond infrastructure improvements to include teacher recruitment and development, ensuring a well-qualified teaching staff to support the educational goals. 3. Reconstruction of the Benin-Ekpoma-Auchi Expressway. Talking about road infrastructure, the governor of Edo State, Governor Modi Okpebholo, is already following his plan to make Edo more tolerable, embarking on massive road construction across Edo State to fulfill its election to the people. Describing the road as very important and strategic to the state, Governor Mode stated that when the road is fixed, it will boost commerce and industry, opening up the state for economic growth and development. The federal government, through the influence of the governor, has a back on fixing the road. The state governor said they are working to fix the fair portion of the federal roads. The Benin-ekpoma-Auchi road is a gateway between the southeast and northern parts of the country. This is a federal road in Edo State, and the people from Edo State, eastern and northern parts of the country use this road. So, according to the governor, he stated that nothing is wrong in fixing this road for the Edo people. That is very honored and very happy seeing the work on the Benin-ekpoma-Auchi expressway. Initially, the road was not passable as several accidents were recorded along the Benin-Iguoriakhi Federal Road, both small and big vehicles, and lives were lost as well. The fixing of the bad portion of the road will help in reducing the travel time along the road. A journey that will take up to 4 hours will now take lesser time. The federal government of Nigeria has officially flagged off the reconstruction of the 125 kilometers Benin-asaba expressway, a vital road corridor in the southern part of the country. The event, which took place on Sunday, 21st March 2025, was performed on behalf of the President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFRO, by the Edo State Governor, His Excellency Senator Mode Okpebholo. The flag-off of the Benin-asaba Expressway is a giant leap in Nigeria's journey towards a modern, efficient and well-maintained road infrastructure to the citizen. The federal government remains resolute in completing this project on schedule, ensuring the citizens and businesses benefit from improved connectivity and its associated economic opportunities. The Benin-asaba alignment, a 125-kilometer dual carriageway, begins from AIF Roundabout in Benin City, Edo State, and terminating at Summit Junction in Asaba Delta State. It serves as a major link between the southeast, the south-south, and some parts of the southwest of Nigeria. It is a vital artery connecting vibrant economic regions of the country. The total project cost required for the rehabilitation and value-added concession of the expressway will be funded by the Benin-asaba Expressway Concession Company Limited, Africa Plus Partners Nigeria Limited, Consortium APP-NLC, with a 30-month completion date. 5. Rehabilitation of bad roads within Benin City. Road users in Sapele road axis of Benin City, Temboga, and other surrounding areas within Benin City metropolis will have a sign of relief as Edo State Governor Senator Mode Okpebholo has commenced the rehabilitation of the old Sapele road and other adjoining roads. The move is to ease traffic gridlock and reduce congestion on the main roads. The governor had on November 13, less than 24 hours after his absorption of office, flag off the 7.2 kilometers Temboga and Obairediawa road with stormwater channelization through Ekiwa road, linking Ute and other communities, terminating at Unibe, Unugboro, Igor local government area of Edo State. The governor assured the people of Edo State that the ongoing massive project across the state are gel towards the infrastructural development of Edo State. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and also do it to leave your comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.